Hello, my name is Jennifer. I'm working in Seculetter as a marketing manager. Today, I am going to introduce how our technology is different from other security solutions. I think you've heard Sony Pictures had been attacked by email and they lost $220 million so that they should cancel to release new film. Actually, 250,000 of malicious codes are created every day, and 80% of them flow through emails. The size of crucial damage that can be caused is unimaginable. The existing APT solutions analyze attacks based on behaviors in virtual environments. Therefore, they spend long time to analyze each behaviors by opening all the attachments. New type of attacks are targeting the weakness of your system. Representative cases are avoiding sandbox, attacking with time lag, and waiting for user-specific action. If attack occurs, analysts analyze the patterns to update their database. But they can analyze only 10 or little more cases a day, even though thousands of attacks are happening in real time. Seculetter has succeeded to automate the technique of professional analysts. Seculetter's technique is totally different from other solutions, such as CCTV and identification scanner. We can recognize suspicious action to judge who the criminal is through CCTV. On the other hand, we can judge whether the person is criminal or not at once through identification scanner. That's the competitiveness of Seculetter. In short, Seculetter's technology has the following strong points: analyzing at assembly level, reducing analyst time 80%, and invalidating the technique to avoid virtual environments. Seculetter provides an intuitive user interface to let administrators check the security status. Moreover, professional report is provided, including detailed information about weakness and analyzed logs, etc. You are able to keep your system under best condition with Seculetter's solutions. Seculetter's differentiated technology was already verified from competition and recognized from investors and potential partners. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Feel free to contact us if you have any inquiry.